What's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Redline Racing Garage. So today we're going to be doing some work on the EK. I did go to the paint shop and picked up the bumper and the grille. As for the lip, I think I bought the wrong lip. I thought it was all the same, but apparently not. I got the 96 to 98, which is a little bit bigger. Well, I should say longer than the 2000s, so we're gonna have to return that and find another one. I already did find another one, but that's gonna be for another day. But today we finally got the grille in and the rear bumper. The rear bumper, I think I'm not gonna install that yet. I'm gonna keep it the way it is for now. It is painted, it's ready to go. The grille we're gonna be installing, but the most important part is we're gonna be installing the fog lights, which it looks like it's pretty easy, but it gets fairly complicated. So there's a lot of little things you gotta do here and there. So I have everything prepped over here. We also got Storm, she's gonna be helping out, looks like. So we got the bumper here. I kind of did trace it out where it needs to be cut, so this side and then that side as well, and then we should be good to go. I have my little Dremel. I think, well, we're gonna have to try to see if that'll work, but I think it should be all right. And then here are the fog lights. So we got the little front cover pieces. Basically everything is in here. Yesterday I did go and put the LED bulbs in there. So I kind of did have to go and customize a little bit of the wiring inside to make that bulb fit, and you know, a little bit of wiring, not too crazy. So I went ahead and did that last night. And then yeah, so we're gonna be mounting everything in today and finally getting this EK front end looking a little bit better. So let's get right into it. Alright, so what we're gonna do first is just drill some holes. So we have a place to start cutting. I did make it a little bit shorter, just to be on the safe side. I'm gonna cut up to there and then try to measure out that plate from the front. If I need to cut more, then I will, but I don't want to cut off more than I need. So let's start off with this here. Alright, got the cutouts made. Now it's nice and flush. So now we're just gonna flip it over and mount the fog lights. Then we can do some wiring. I love wiring. Alright, so here we have all the brackets. We're gonna mount these brackets to the actual fog lights, and then we can go and mount everything to the bumper. So let's get started. looking really nice. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do with the bumper is put the grill on it, and then we can go ahead and start doing some wiring, run all the wires through, the button, everything, basically run it all in, and then we should be good to go on putting the bumper back and finding out how this thing's gonna look. Oh yeah, LEDs. Look at that. Much better. Oof, that's bright. Better already. There's one little thing that I have to address. As you guys can see, that piece from inside of the headlight broke off. Look at all the condensation. So I do have a sealer on the way. So what I'm going to be doing is removing the lens, cleaning all of that off. I don't think I can put that back originally. I think it actually broke off. But I am going to try to super glue it. We'll see if that's going to work. If not, we're going to have to get a different headlight. But I have the sealer on the way. So we're going to have to address that as well. And also another thing is I did remove those ugly pink pieces that were here, so you can go and bungee cord your fender to your bumper. We have a little bit of holes here, but we can probably patch that up and just touch it up for the time being. This thing is finally starting to look like I want it to. The only thing missing is that lip. Like I said, I ordered the wrong lip. It's my first EK. I did not know that 96 to 98 and 99 to 2000 was something totally different. Who would have knew? Now I know. I did return it and I have one on the way, so as soon as it gets here we're gonna repaint the lip and install it. I think it's gonna look a little bit better. Right now it still looks a little bit plain, but with the grill and the fog lights it really looks nice. And finally we got the last pieces of the puzzle to put this nitrous kit in the EK. So first off, I wanted to give a huge shout out once again to Giovanni Gonzalez. I'm gonna leave his YouTube channel right over here. So he did send me out some fittings for the nitrous. Like I told you guys before, he gave me a lot of information on nitrous. He has done a lot of nitrous cars. If you guys are interested in nitrous, I suggest you guys go to his channel. He has a lot of great content, but he did send me a ton of fittings that we apparently need, and all he asked for is just to pay the shipping. So huge shout out to him. So I did also go pick up this board from Leash Electronics. This basically replaces your relay from the Nitrous Kit. He did say that this is really great, and just by looking at it I can tell. You have everything on there, makes it super easy to install the Nitrous Kit on this. So we went with the Leash Electronics single stage nitrous board. And we also got a nitrous bottle warmer. So this is very important. Apparently, again guys, this is my first nitrous kit and I'm learning a lot. And also Giovanni Gonzalez put me on this thing as well, said that this is going to be great. I did a little bit of research, and yes guys, you need to heat up the bottle so you can put a lot of pressure in it and get really great numbers on the dyno. So we got a bottle warmer. You basically go and just wire it up to a switch. I don't think I got a gauge, but I think I'm gonna get a gauge just so you can kind of see how much pressure is in the bottle once you're heating it up. But like I said guys, we finally got the last stage of the parts we need to get the nitrous kit installed on the EK. Super exciting. Alright guys, that'll pretty much do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Next episode, we're going to be putting on the nitrous and finally get to a tune. So as soon as we install the nitrous kit, we're going to be scheduling a tune with Rob Rainin from Gringo out in the US, and it's going to be some exciting stuff. So I suggest you guys stay tuned. We got a lot coming for the EK, lots of fun. So that'll pretty much do it for today's video. See you in the next one. Peace out guys.